Hey guys, today I am shopping at the Goodwill outlet bins. It is actually a Sunday and I have never been here on a weekend before. So I'm interested to see if maybe I find more stuff on the weekend than I do during the week. I don't know. Let's go in and see what we can find. I see a bunch of glassware right here. I like the shape of this, but I don't like the popcorn on it. Know what's up with this one. It's like leaning. Y'all see that? I like the little apples on it though. Some shoes. I wonder if these are ring size. These are cute. 13. I might get those for her. Here's some glassware right here. A little pitcher. Just a stamp on the bottom of it. Ooh, look how cute this is. It says Taiwan, I think. That's adorable. Put that in my cart. Ooh, what's this? Oh, that's from the Target dollar spot. It's not vintage. You see all these t-shirts because they wrap all of the breakables up in t-shirts. Cookie jar. I like the shape of it, but they got parts on it and stuff. I'll leave that here. Oh, look, marble and milk glass. I just found this little rusty metal piece. I don't know what it goes to, but I like the look of it. So put that in my cart. I'll figure out some DIY to do with that. Here's a big tray. Ooh, I like the color on this. Got a broken handle, I think. I'll leave that here for somebody else. Put it up there so they can see it good. Here's some little silver trivets. Here's a little brass seashell trivet. I think I'm gonna leave all that stuff here. I like these light fixtures. How cute would that be as a little floral holder? There's two of them. I really like the look of these. I'm going to sell them as vases. Put that in my cart. Let's see what else they have here. This is plastic. Ooh, I see some wood stuff. Some wood bowl. I like these little ones. It says made in Japan. It's a whole stack of them. Okay. Grab these as well. Should I get the bigger one? Let's see. Doesn't say made in Japan. Might get that one. I usually don't pass up wood bowls because there's so many things you could do with it. Here's another one. See? Japan. These are cute. I like that they're the natural wood as well. Here's a little wood box. Oh, it's broken. I'll leave that here. Oh, this is a really great Tupperware bowl. My parents have a few of these and we use them all the time. It's good for marinating and stuff. I'm gonna grab that. Let's see what this wood stuff is. Here's a wooden tray. Does not seem to be anything that special. I think I'm gonna go ahead and leave that here. Look what I just found. Is it one of those Japanese winking Santas? I'm not sure. It doesn't have a marking on the bottom. The other ones I had, I think they were a little bit bigger. I don't know. I kind of like the crazing and I don't mind the little chip on it. So I think we will rescue him. Yeah, I like him. Let's see. Maybe there's some more in here. Look at this. Cow with a Santa hat. A little milk container. Don't see another Santa. I have these though that are really cute. Oh, I love this blue pattern. There's two of them. I might grab these. I like putting this stuff throughout my house. Look how pretty it looks with my decor. Here's some lamps. And then I don't know if y'all watched my video when I went to that thrift store out in Senatobia, but they had a whole lamp with these little globes. So this is just one little light fixture. This one's interesting as well. It's really cute. I like this. I'm gonna leave it here, but I like it. Let's see what else they have. Here's a bunch of little candle things. Oh, here's some more cups. Maybe they have, ooh, 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 look. Oh my gosh, look at the age on this piece. Love that. Is that in my cart? Alright. I have to unwrap these mugs. I might have another Santa one in here. Alright, no more Santa mugs. It was just a bunch of ones like this. I don't know. They got a cute little shape to them. I like the little handle. I did spot another one of these, so now I have 3 of them. This looks like it was somebody's DIY project. These look decoupaged on, and then they added this little purse handle. It's pretty cute. Oh, and it's lined with fur. Spotted this. I think it's like a sleigh, and then here's a reindeer. I don't know. It looks to be in pretty rough shape though, so I think I'm gonna leave that here. Let's see what else they have. I'm seeing lots of purses. Oh, what's this? Ooh, this is pretty. The angel wings are broken off, but they're taped on here so they're not lost. And I can tape them, I mean I can glue them back on. Look at the hair, how beautiful. I love this piece. Even without the wings, I think she's pretty. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and grab her. What's this? This is so funny. It has one little chip right there. I don't know. I kind of like this too. It's homemade, definitely. Look, it's made by Emily in 2003. We're gonna rescue her. She does not deserve to go to the landfill. We're gonna rescue these 2 angels right here. Look at these old prints of people skiing. Look at that. Look at this one. The 3 girls. Love that. I'm not gonna get them, but hopefully somebody else picks them up. What is this? Oh, this is just like a little picture or something. There's a stamp at the bottom. It says something USA. Looks really cute. I might get this. That's a great little piece just to put out in your decor by itself or with some floral. Just brought out a new bin and I went digging and I got 4 of these canisters, y'all. They're 4 different sizes. I think they originally had lids, but I think they would be the perfect little planters. And they already have this circle right here that would be perfect to put an IOD mold on and then paint them. So I'm definitely gonna do something cool with these 4. This brush is interesting. I've never seen one this size before, but this would be so cute. You just put it out and then you stick a picture in there, maybe even some floral. I love this. I'm gonna go ahead, put that in my cart. Here's some Christmas stuff. We got some candles, little red dish, whatever that is. Oh, look at this. There's 2 of them. I had 2 coils exactly like this on my last sale and they sold immediately. I think these might even be prettier because I love the white aging they have on them. That is beautiful. Okay, I'm definitely gonna get those 2. Let's see if they have anything else. It looks like all these little ornaments are broken. Don't really see anything else. All right, I'm just gonna get these 2 right here. That's exciting. Love these. I like this piece. It's very cool. Oh, I wonder if this goes with it. It's very heavy. There we go. That's cool. I'm definitely gonna get that. It looks like somebody put something on it. Y'all see that? I don't know. I think it needs to go back black. I think that's what it originally was and somebody added something to it. Oh, this is cute. This little horse, I think it's missing its tail. A little vintage toy. Should I get this? I don't know. It's missing a tail, but of course I could add something, some jute twine. That would look cute if somebody was doing a little vintage nursery. Alright, let me put this in my cart. My cart is so full. I haven't had a good day like this at the bins in quite a while. Lots of treasures in here today. Oh, and I got a life jacket. I always pick up life jackets if they're in my kid's size. This one's 30 to 50 pounds, so this will fit Ren. You can never have enough life jackets, especially, you know, when we're on the water and they have friends over. We always need extra. So anytime I find one that is in excellent condition like this, I definitely scoop it up. It's a little tiny chair. It's cute, but has a little damage. I think I'm gonna leave it here. Some tarnished silver, but not anything amazing, so I'll also leave that here. I find so much stuff that I really need to start being more picky about what I get. I say as I got a cart full of stuff over there, but I'll probably go through it, just make sure I really want everything that's in there. It's a cigar box. Glassware, they probably all look like this. I just found something else that was on my last sale that sold really quickly. These look a little bit older and a little bit different than the ones that I have. I love these brass clamshell bookends, definitely going in my cart. And also I just noticed that they're clearing out the wall of shelves over there, so I am definitely gonna hang around till they fill those back up. That is my favorite place to go and dig. They just brought out a new bin, so let me go dig right there. All I found in that last bin is this cute little chicken wire cloche, and it even has this little bird nest in it already. So that was definitely going in my cart. Now I'm just waiting around for them to fill these bins, and I just noticed they are also dumping this side, so I guess I have to hang out and wait and see what they have. I already got so much good stuff today. It has been a very exciting day at the Goodwill outlet bins. Alright, I dug through both the new walls of bins, and I only got two things. Okay, what do y'all think about these mushroom sticks? I think they are gorgeous and perfect for fall. They just have that kind of muted dead look that I've been going for, and I think they'll look great in a vase. And then I found this. I actually have 4 like this in the smaller size currently on the website, and I don't know how no one has scooped them up because I think they are absolutely beautiful. So I think I might just go ahead and add this bigger one to the smaller set of 4 that I already have. Look at the detail on this piece. I absolutely love it. So I think I'm not going to go through my cart. I don't feel like it. I'm just going to go ahead and get everything that is in here. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this shopping trip with me, and I will put a total on the screen of what I spent today for this entire cart just full of goodies.